Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading from the Sands of Time Oracle deck. This deck is meant to help you remember things from the past. So normally images, places, things can actually help you get past memory back. Know that there are illusions that need to be burned away before you can actually see. Also know that within destruction, the biggest creation can be born. And then you know a lot, and those things cannot be erased. Tap into yourselves to find the answer.